Welcome to uKnowva HRMS Foundation course video series. In this video, we'll explore how to manage letter templates efficiently, ensuring consistent and professional communication across your organization. Let's dive in. To add a new letter template, go to the HR main menu and click the Letter Template submenu. Click the New Template button at the top right of the page. A new page will load where you can add details like the title, accessible to, and the letter content. Use the Generate with AI to smartly generate the entire letter draft in the editor below in seconds. Or else, click on Customize button to customize the prompt of the content with specific rules and formulae, and then hit the Send button or icon to regenerate the letter with AI. This Generate with AI feature saves hundreds of hours every week for HRs responsible for acquiring the top talent and maintaining consistent candidate and employee engagement on the go with updated policies, letters, and more. Shortcut keys and literals to be used in the letters are provided at the bottom of the page for clear guidance. Once done, click Save to create the template or Cancel to discard it. To edit an existing template, locate the letter on the Letter Templates page and click the pen icon under the action column. A new page will open, allowing you to edit the title, accessible to, and the letter content. After making changes, click Save to update or Cancel to discard. To generate a PDF, click the Generate button next to the desired template. A pop-up window will appear with two tabs, Individual and in Bulk. For Individual, enter the user's name in the user field. For in Bulk, enter multiple users separated by commas. You can also enable options to send emails or notifications to users. Once configured, click Generate to create the PDFs. To delete a template, click the bin icon under the action column. A confirmation prompt will appear. Click Yes to delete permanently or No to cancel. To search for a template, use the search bar at the top left of the Letter Templates page. Enter keywords or phrases and click Search to filter the list. To reset the view, click Reset. And that's it. You've now learned how to manage letter templates in uKnowva HRMS, ensuring seamless and professional communication across your organization. Thank you for watching.